Hello everyone, I'm Ruby. Today I'm going to introduce how we design this half belt conveyor to help the customer to increase the capacity and achieve the great selling performance. So let's see more details. The delivery item is dolomite, and look at this very cute belt. It is called corrugated wood. But the evil is in the detail. Without this belt, the chips will fall into the body machine and may stop the operation. And the PC cover for upward and the downward can be used for dust protection that can keep the environment clean and avoid the chips not to spill on the ground while running. Look down to the tray is connected between the body and the hopper through this tray to let the chips won't flow too much on the belt at a time. At the same time, we use the vibrating motor to drag the chips onto the tray and then transfer it smoothly to the belt. Okay, this is the end of the introduction. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.